Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start class 4 Value Education lesson 3 Forgiveness is Divine. Think about it. First, it is good to forget the past and make a better today. Number 2, we should never hold a grudge and try to forget the wrong things. What is the meaning of grudge? Meaning of grudge: unfriendly feeling towards somebody because you are angry about what has happened in the past. Number 3, we should always forgive our younger ones for their mistake. Forgiving someone is a very divine feeling. Number 2, forgiveness helps in resolving the differences. What is the meaning of resolving? To find an answer to a problem. That means resolving. Forgiving someone amends our relation with that person. What is the meaning of amends? Meaning of amends: to change something slightly in order to make it better. Meaning of forgiveness is divine is: people sometimes use the whole expression to err is human. To forgive divine to mean that it is a very good thing. To be able to forgive someone who does something wrong. Everyone admires her behavior. After all, to err is human, to forgive divine. Lesson: Arav and Sunny were brothers. See, here two brothers, Arav and Sunny. They lived in a small town. Where they live? In a small town. Arav was elder and Sunny was the younger one. That means Arav is bigger than Sunny. Arav is elder and Sunny is younger. Sunny was very notorious and did mischief all day. What is the meaning of notorious? Meaning of notorious, that means well known for something bad. What is the meaning of mischief? Mischief means bad behavior. He annoyed Arav all day and this made Arav angry. That means annoyed means feeling angry or slightly angry. He often did things that made Arav feel bad. He once took away Arav's radio and never brought it back. Sunny always behaving badly. His behavior is bad. Once time he has taken Arav's radio he never brought, means never bring again. Okay. Arav used to keep his cookies to have them later, but Sunny used to finish them all. Means Arav want to eat some cookies after some time, but Sunny finished all the cookies. One day he put a loaded wagon or Arav's toy. Now Arav was very angry with Sunny and he developed a grudge. That means Arav not feeling well with Sunny. He is feeling unfriendly. He kept on being angry with his brother. And every time his brother Sunny came hoping to have fun, Arav complained about the bad things his brother had done. Arav refused to play with him because he had a malice. Sunny said that he was sorry, but still Arav would not move. Sunny tried to make amends to get Arav to play with him, but Arav said, "I am angry and you should go away." What is the meaning of malice? Meaning of malice is a wish to hurt other people. That means always Sunny in playing time also, always Sunny try to make always to hurt Aro, means his brother. Always he is hurting. To whom? Aro. Who is hurting? Sunny. So finally Sunny gave up. He went outside to play alone, and Aro watched him from the window playing on his own. Means finally Sunny gave up and he went outside to play alone. Means Aro not going with Sunny. Aro watching him from where? From window and seeing he is playing there on playground. So Aro simply seeing. To whom? Sunny. Sunny kicked a ball around the yard while looking very sad. Means Sunny kicked ball and seeing around the yard, but no one is there. So after looking, he is feeling bad. Then Aro thought, whatever that Sunny did, was it realized so bad? That means Aro think there, whatever that Sunny did, was it really so bad? He was sorry, but Aro would not pardon. Meaning of pardon, used to asking somebody to repeat what he or she has just said because you did not hear or understand it. And now his malice affected the way the brothers live. They both were quite unhappy and they both were all alone. Means they both are not talking to each other. Aro learned how wrong he was to be hard-hearted. He started feeling sorry for the things that he had done. That means Aro also feeling happy because he is not hear his brother's words. Sorry it's a big word, na? So he is not here. So he is also feeling sorry for these things. He thought that his younger brother would forgive him so that they could play together. So Aro went outside and found Sunny playing under a tree. He said, I am sorry, Sunny. Please forgive me. Sunny said, forgive you. I thought that you were angry with me. They both forgave each other. They embraced means sign of love or happiness. Embraced each other. Tears were rolling down from their eyes. Means they both are crying. It was such a sight to see. They kicked the ball together and had fun out in the yard. Realized that it is not good to hold a grudge or push others away. It is good to put the past behind and make a better today. But then Sunny kicked the ball and it hit Aro in the head. Sunny thought he would be angry again. His face was turning red, but Sunny said he was sorry and Aro said, that's okay. I have realized how to forgive you today. That means moral of the story, we should never hold a grudge and try to forget the wrong things. And it is good to forget the past and make a better today.